From streaming high-resolution content to surfing the web to pass the time, Wi-Fi has always been a part of our day-to-day life. As demand for faster bandwidth keeps increasing, brands such as Mediatek and Intel keep coming up with the latest Wi-Fi technologies such as Wi-Fi 6 and Wi-Fi 6E. And now, they're working on the next generation of Wi-Fi, the Wi-Fi 7, which is the next big leap towards a faster and more stable network connection than we have ever experienced before. In this video, we're going to talk about the next generation of Wi-Fi technology and all the possibilities that lie ahead of us. So, without further ado, let's dive in. On January 19, 2022, Mediatek demoed the world's first Wi-Fi 7 technology and highlighted all the possibilities that will come along with it. According to Alan Su, corporate vice president at Mediatek, Wi-Fi 7 will presumably replace wireline and Ethernet connections that are used for super high bandwidth applications. He further added that Wi-Fi 7 will be a new standard for both home and industrial networks, as well as multiplayer VR applications and up to 8K streaming capabilities. Wi-Fi 7 will also bring along multi-link operation technology to cater to the driving demands of high-resolution video streaming as well as VR gaming. Multi-link operation, or MLO in short, ensures a simultaneous flow of network connection on different frequency bandwidths. This is quite impressive, as you'll be able to enjoy a stable network connection regardless of traffic interference and add congestion of the bands, making Wi-Fi 7 a striking gadget for flagship laptops, smartphones, and PCs. Other network advances include improved channel width and 4K QAM enhancement for better signal transmission and efficient data usage. Wi-Fi 7 will also utilize 320Hz channels, making it about 2.4 times faster than currently existing Wi-Fi 6 technology. Nonetheless, Wi-Fi 7 is without a doubt unique and will unlock lots of capabilities in the near future. As we surround ourselves with more and more tech devices and depend a whole lot on the wireless network, having Wi-Fi 7 around will make our life a lot easier. So, that was all about the upcoming Wi-Fi 7 technology. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.